Hello, this is Ian Wright, and I wanted to convince you of the necessity to keep your air conditioning ducting clean. Obviously, mold, bacteria, viruses, all these things build up in the ideal environment produced by air conditioning systems. Moist, cool air encourages the growth of all these horrible goodies in the air, which ultimately end up being distributed into the working area or onto the surfaces of your food production areas, tables, operating areas, etc. If you, however, can place the UV tubes, as you will see here, in a strategic place, it will kill by irradiation those bugs that are sitting on the air conditioning ducting. When people come in and sneeze or distribute the bugs in the air, this, when it gets to the UV tube, is eliminated and clean, fresh air is redistributed back into the working environment. This is obviously safe for people. It will not allow for surface bacterial growth on food. The UV tubes kill any bugs that go past it on its way past, and allows for productivity savings, electricity savings, reduction in carbon footprint because you're using less electricity. You don't need to have regular cleaning of your coils, as always happens. You get increased productivity and surface bacteria control is there. Even protection of artwork or possibly saving lives. I suggest you call on Airzone UV systems urgently.